Hello, and welcome to Wellness Vlog number 6. I can't even hold it up with one hand anymore, which is exciting. It's been fun to do these little wellness vlogs. I hope they've been inspiring and encouraging for you. They have certainly been helpful in keeping me accountable too. So, a few things I wanted to mention as we start Wellness Vlog number 6. We celebrated our anniversary this week, our second anniversary, and I didn't film it, but we ended up going out to a restaurant and it was really good. I had a salad and I did get fried chicken on it instead of grilled, but it was still a good life choice. So that was really great. And yeah, it's been a full week, but last night I hadn't done any sort of workout or anything, but I just did 10 of those counter push-ups before climbing into bed, and I am sore today. It's crazy how something so little has such a big impact. I'm still just so excited that my engagement ring fits again. That was just such a neat win from last week. And then it was really sweet this week one. My husband was like, "Your stomach's definitely getting smaller." And I hadn't noticed that or thought that at all. But I thought it was very sweet that he mentioned that, and it made me feel really good. And just little by little progress really adds up. So I just wanted to kind of start off today in this vlog by sharing those little things. And it is Friday. Fridays are my day off from my job at the church. And our apartment is very messy. I haven't cleaned in a while. It's not like something I'm very good at. I like having a clean apartment, but I don't love cleaning a ton. Something I'm working on. But it's really good exercise, and so I'm gonna do something called the 5x5. I saw this online. The Secret Slob is a YouTuber that I like to follow, and she shares some different cleaning kind of strategies and techniques. I'll link her YouTube channel down below, as well as YouTube video that I watched where I found this idea that she shared. She was sharing like games to help you clean, and this was one of them, the 5x5. So you spend 5 minutes in 5 rooms of your house. Well, we live in a 1-bedroom apartment, so there aren't even 5 rooms, but we have the bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchen, the living area, and my office corner. So those are going to be my 5 rooms, and I'm going to spend 5 minutes in each of them. And yeah, I think that'll be a good little workout, and also hoping to just kind of get this place in check because it's a little messy, a little dusty, a little dirty right now. So yeah, definitely try this strategy out and let me know in the comments what you think of spending 5 minutes cleaning 5 areas of your house. So that's 25 minutes, not a very long time, but again, cleaning is actually a really good workout. So here I go. So I wanted to show you all another little grocery haul, healthy food grocery haul. And yeah, let's maybe start over here. So this is some really healthy peanut butter, because actually a lot of peanut butter, it has a lot of other stuff, but this literally just has roasted peanuts. So very, very healthy. I love that. This is some healthy mayonnaise made with avocado oil. It's interesting because I never really read any labels until now. So it's always good when there are fewer ingredients and you want to be able to understand them. So like this just has avocado oil, eggs, egg yolks, vinegar, salt, and rosemary extract. So the fewer ingredients, the better. And then these are some different snack foods. So this I'm excited to try. They are layered fruit bars. And pineapple passion fruit, raspberry lemonade, strawberry banana. Those sound delicious. And on the back you can see there's no artificial flavors. It's made with real fruit juice and fruit purees, which is great. I do think like the raspberry lemonade one has natural flavors, which I don't think is super great, but like something like this would be a way better option versus like a Hershey's bar or, you know, normal fruit snacks, gummies, things like that. So a little progress. Siete chips are another absolute favorite of mine. I've tried their tortilla chips before, but I've never tried their potato chips. So these ones, the only ingredients are potatoes, avocado oil, and sea salt. That is awesome. And my mom found these, which I am intrigued to try. They are like Cheetos, but they don't have cheese in them. They're made with or yeast, I think, was what my mom said. And there's actually protein in the servings, which I thought was really interesting. So I will have to try these and let you all know how they are. And then this is a really great find at Costco. They're plantain chips. Plantains are really big in the Dominican Republic, and so Juan gets a little taste of home from these. And look at that. Ingredients: plantains, coconut oil, and sea salt. So really, really awesome healthy snack options that I wanted to show you all. So here's what they look like, the cheese ones. They don't taste as cheesy as I thought. They're a little bland, but if you're having a hankering for a chip, this is definitely a good, healthier option. So yesterday, instead of cleaning 5 minutes in 5 rooms, I cleaned for 5 hours. I'm so sore today. And I started my period, and so I was like, at the end, in tears, saying, I'm not gonna make it. But I did make it. I ended up skipping lunch because I was just cleaning. Last night we went out for dinner on our way to the beach. We're at the beach this weekend. And Juan, what do we have for dinner?
Pizza Couple. That's a really good place for pizza in Minville.
So that was really yummy. Definitely a splurge, but I also didn't eat lunch, so I think it evened out. And yeah, we're at the beach. We're heading to the beach to go for an awesome walk. I was gonna say morning walk, but now it's afternoon. But Juan made a really yummy, healthy breakfast with eggs and some really healthy bread my mom found that I'll show you guys, and fruit. So excited to move our bodies. It's about a beautiful day as you can get.
Yes, it's perfect.
Warm, but not too warm.
Yeah. The sun is out. The waves are really big.
Perfect time for a walk.
It is.
I'm ending the weekend with that same tone it up workout I shared about in a previous vlog. I'll link it down below if you missed it. My first time, kicked my butt just as much this time. But, it was good. Well, the bad news is I ate more M&Ms at work today, but the good news is I ate more Sugar Snap Peas than M&Ms. So, it's crazy how much sugar is just like calls my name. Anyways, I want nothing more. I just got home from work than to put on my pajamas and, well, I was gonna say curl up on the couch, but I'm really behind on getting stuff ready for taxes. So that's what I want to do. But it's a beautiful night. It's dry out. And so I'm going to put on my workout clothes and go for a quick little walk. So even though I want nothing more than to be curled up, cozy inside, time to move my body because that's important. We're getting ready at the beginning of March to go on a trip to Hawaii. And then in the beginning of April, we're going to the Dominican Republic. So I have all of these, big trips kind of on my mind. And it's so hard because it's like, I want to, look better in shorts or a swimsuit than I do right now. But I also know that shouldn't be my ultimate goal, right? It should be to be healthy, not to lose weight. And so I know this week I've just been really down on myself and not speaking very kindly about my body. You can see I'm breaking out, and it's so hard because it's way easier to be negative than it is to be positive. So anyways, it's just something I've been kind of struggling with this week is, I am beautiful the way I am. But on the other hand, it is good to move my body, not with the goal of losing weight and being super skinny, but with the goal of being healthier. And, on these upcoming trips, if I'm in better shape, I'm going to be able to do more and keep up with my family who are all in really good shape. So anyways, those are just some of the things that I've been thinking about and just kind of pondering. But time to work out. Oh my gosh. That was so hard. Instead of going for a walk, I decided to do another tone it up routine. This one was so much harder, but I made it through. High five. Ending the day with a healthy smoothie. I did pull out the chocolate sauce, homemade chocolate fudge that's calling my name, but I'm gonna put it away and try and resist. So here's to having self-control for moving my body today, even when I didn't feel like it, and ending with a healthy dinner. Instead of a high five, cheers! Today is my birthday! It's Thursday, February 10th. I'm turning 30. So crazy. And for breakfast,